Hi, dear Capricorn. A very good morning to you guys. So, this is a journal of reading from 11th of May till 21st of May, or you can say the mid of May. So, I'll tap into your partner's energy, your energy, and their feelings for you, what they want from you, and what to expect from this person till 21st of May. Okay. So, let's quickly tap into your partner's current energy, Capricorn. Your partner's current energy. Mm. Your partner's current energy right now is Nine of Pentacles. Coming towards you very slowly, offering you something. Okay, Nine of Pentacles is a very slow and mature energy actually. So this person is coming towards you, or at least they are feeling, uh, at least their current energy is making them feel that they should come towards you and offer you something. Let's clarify their energy, the Knight of Pentacles. Mhm. Capricorn, your partner's current feelings. Knight of Pentacles is a very stable energy actually, and although it is very slow, but it is very stable and steady. Okay, so if this person feels like they should come towards you, my cards are jumping all over here and there. Let's see. Gosh, Page of Pentacles, Page of Cups. Okay, the Star. Oh my God. So I feel like this person is now developing very beautiful feelings for you. This person is feeling like they should offer you something stable, something beautiful. I feel like they want to start with a friendship again. This is what I'm getting. I don't feel like this person is coming towards you and offering something like a committed offer of relationship with you, but they want to start all over again with these beautiful feelings of let's start all over again, because the page is a immature energy, a childlike energy. They're developing beautiful feelings for you, and they're very hopeful and positive about this connection, that in the future it is going to be very beautiful with you. So they're hopeful about this connection. They're developing new feelings about you, for you, and this particular person wants to offer you something. Might be a connection, might be a friendship offer. Okay, let's see what your current energy is, Capricorn. Your current energy right now. Just give me a second. Your current energy right now is Five of Wands, conflicting. You are in some kind of mental conflict. Okay, might be you are in mental conflict, or might be you are having a battle going on with this particular person, dispute going on with this particular person. So I feel like right now you are in this conflicting state of mind. Might be you also don't know what do you want from this connection. Okay, so right now you are in this conflicting state of mind. At least if you are not verbally having a fight with this particular person, at least you are carrying conflict in your mind. Let's clarify the Five of Wands, what you are feeling. Ten of Wands, Six of Swords, and the Ten of Pentacles. So you are feeling conflicting. You are feeling this conflicting energy because you feel like this connection is a burden to you. This connection is making you feel like some kind of chorus or some kind of difficult situation to handle. And you want peace, and you want peaceful resolution in this connection, and you want to be stable in your life. Okay, if you want this connection, you want it to be stable. You want it to be long term and committed relationship. That is what is happening. That is why some inner conflict is going on in your mind, because although you feel like this particular connection is a burden to you to carry, but also you feel like if there is some kind of peaceful resolution coming in towards you, you are ready to have a long term committed relationship with this particular person. Okay, that is these are your current energy, these are your current might be feelings. What this person is feeling for you right now. Feelings for your person for you are the Seven of Wands, standing on their own ground. Might be they are acting very defensive. Okay, and they are acting aggressive. They might be making you feel like this is the only way, this connection is going to proceed, or my way is the only way, that things will go eventually. So basically this person is acting defensive towards you. This at least they are feeling like they should defend themselves, they should talk to you, and they should tell you that this is the way this should be, and this is the way this connection should be. Might be these are the feelings that they are carrying from a very long time, and then they are not able to make you understand what they are going through or what they are feeling. So let's clarify the Seven of Wands, Wheel of Fortune, Knight of Swords, and the King of Pentacles. So I feel like this person is feeling like everything will happen at the divine timing. Might be this is not the right timing to come towards you, and they are like stopping themselves to come towards you. Okay, stopping themselves in a hurry to come towards you, and they want to have a stable connection. Also, they also want to have a stable connection with you. You also want to have a stable connection with this particular person, but right now this person is stopping themselves. At least they are feeling that they should not act defensive or aggressive towards you. At least they are feeling like, yes, this is not the right time to act defensive or act aggressive or do anything stupid. That is their feelings for you right now. What they want from this connection or what they want from you in particular, let's see. Capricorn, what your person wants from you. The Chariot. I feel like this person wants you and them to move towards a bright future together. They want you to forgive them, might be, or they want forgiveness from you, or they want you to apologize to them. There's something that they want from you that is missing in this connection, or all they want from this connection is to move on with a great sense of confidence, and they don't want to move on from you basically. But I can feel like this person wants their life to be on track. Okay, this connection to be on track, and that is what they want from this connection. They want this connection to be on a track, and they want you to be with them in this particular journey. So let's clarify the Chariot. The Chariot is very very courageous energy. They want to come towards you with this a courageous energy of what they want. They are very determined to get you. Actually, this is the right word, this is the right sentence. They are very determined to get this connection work out, and they want you to be in their life. Ten of Cups, Five of Pentacles, and the World. Yes, I feel like this person wants happiness from this particular connection. And I feel like this person walked away from this situation in the past or in the recent past because they felt like this connection is over or there's nothing left in this connection. Okay, that is what I feel. So I feel like this person is coming towards you, and they are trying to make this connection a very happy family connection or a long term connection, because in the recent past they walked away from this connection, or at least they tried to walk away from this connection, and they feel like there's nothing left in this connection. But now they are very very determined to get you. Now they are very very determined for this connection to work out, and all they want from this connection is to work out. Okay, in the long term, to have a family. This is what they want from this connection or from you. Okay, let's see what to expect from this person till 21st of May, Capricorn. The Devil. The Devil is a card of Capricorn only, so this is your card. So I feel like this person is coming towards you with the same energy that they were carrying like in the past, in the recent past. Although they want to change this energy, although they are feeling like I should change this energy into something. I told you at the first when we took this pull this card for the current energy, that was this Knight of Pentacles. So they feel like there should be a brand new beginning in this connection. Okay, but they are coming towards you. They are definitely coming towards you. They are feeling obsessed with you. They are feeling obsessed with your feelings. They are feeling like there's some connection between you guys that is pulling that is making you guys meet each other again and again. So they're coming in towards you, but they are carrying some kind of toxic energy, I can say, or some kind of energy that is going to make you feel like burdensome about something. This is what is happening. Let's clarify the Devil as the outcome from their side. This person is feeling obsessed with you. They are completely obsessed with your thoughts. So the Queen of Swords, the Chariot again, and the Eight of Pentacles. So this person is obsessed with you. They are coming in towards you because now they are feeling very very, because they are very very clear now about their particular feelings. So I feel like this person is very very determined to get you and to work, to put in the work, to put in the energy in this connection. Okay, before they were not ready to put in the effort or put in the work from their side, but now they are very very clear about you or about their feelings, because the Queen of Swords to me is energy when a particular person is very very clear about their intention. So they are very very clear about their intention that they want to get you. They are very very determined to get you. They are moving towards you, coming in towards you in a very very determined frame of mind, and they want to put in the effort and put in the energy, okay, from their side, and that is why they are coming towards you. But still they are carrying the same energy as they were carrying in the past. Might be in the past they were carrying this energy of obsession, or physical energy, like very very physically attracted to you, or all they want from you is a physical connection. So I don't feel like this energy is changing, although they want to change it, but they are coming in towards you with the same energy that they were carrying in the recent past. So let's pull one card from the Love Oracle deck as an advice or as a message for you guys. Let's see. Capricorn. I like you. Someone likes you, romance blooming, fun, flirting, want to date. Yeah, this person is very, very determined to get you. Okay. So this is the card. This is the message for you. So thank you so much for tuning in, Capricorn. I hope this reading will give you some insight about your relationship with this particular connection. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And yeah, this is all about the Capricorn for mid-May. Yeah. Thank you so much. Namaste.